In this video, we will show you how to uninstall game on Steam. To uninstall a game on your Steam, you can open your Steam first. And after you open your Steam, go to library. Okay. After you go to library, in the left panel, you can see all of the game you have. They already installed or not installed also. Okay. If you already installed the game like this, for example, to uninstall them, you can just right click on the game and select manage and select uninstall and just click uninstall here. Now the uninstall process has been started by Steam. Okay, and after the uninstall is done, you can see the button not become update or anything. Okay, this is become just install like this. And that's all tutorial how to uninstall game from Steam. You can do right click and select manage and select uninstall if you already installed the game. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.